start today with the fireworks. There's Ollie, and there's everybody else. And as we can see at the top, fireworks are just getting ready. You can't see it clearly, but as we can see, we've all taken our seats and we're just about to take off with our fireworks. There's already fireworks going off now. Tomorrow I'm seeing the crown jewels.
I've already seen the crown jewels.
Oh, how amazing is that? As we can see, the first firework is going to set off now.
There's a crown, and then it's protected by a glass case, and you can make your reflection look like you're wearing it. It's actually
And here goes the first firework.
We're ready?
Ready?
Josh.
Here goes the first firework.
Oh, here we go. First one.
Woo! Whoa!
Well done, Simon.
Well done, Simon.
That's it. That'd be great. Just come in.
Ready for our next firework. 3.
Like, supposed to be 2 minutes. It all went in 20 seconds.
Oh, really? Or maybe not 3. Okay.
It didn't work.
And our next.
Guys, prepare. Here it comes. This time.
They rang him up.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Is he a big spender?
When's the biggest one?
Not now.
Dad? At the end?
Yeah.
Dad?
Yeah.
Near the end, yeah.
That's a laser.
No, it's from Chessington World of Adventures.
And our next firework.
It's the 4th firework.
We should go up to Windy Hill tomorrow.
Whoa.
Woody Hill?
Yeah.
Do they set it?
Well, no, just to watch everybody else's.
And the next one sometime soon.
Well, the perfect setting. There's 2 trees there. Beautiful. Did you got one? Did you?
Here comes the next firework.
She just wanted to see the guy
The next firework.
Firework.
2, 1, go!
At least you have something lasting.
It's amazing. Nice.
My sister wants to come and stay for the weekend.
I whistle for my teeth.
Yeah, I used to do that one regularly. And my friend who I was doesn't like she doesn't like
Here comes the next one.
Guys!
Two. 1. Blast off!
Simple season we're doing it. So it's fine.
Oh.
Wow, that's so amazing.
Oh yeah, when
I could
I
not
used
believe
it,
it.
yeah.
But also, I hadn't run a race for that.
That's the most amazing fireworks we've had.
How lovely of you.
Did you realise actually it could be 20?
Because when I used to do that, I was doing
Okay, it's getting bigger.
online with
Is it? I don't really see.
Whoa.
What? Yeah, that's a bit better.
That's it.
That's fantastic the way they do it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
most annoyingest.
Three are twins.
You're all really annoying.
It's alright.
Whoa!
One.
Oh. Yeah, go.
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Up one side, starts in the centre.
There's more.
Alongside of the ribbon.
Any more?
Oh. We want more.
Oh yeah, I think Susie.
I'm scared
You go.
that they're gonna just poof and blow up.
Yeah. Over the bridge. Up.
Let's go to the hospital. Whoa!
Yes, that's right. And then you do it again.
Yeah, so I did it. Yeah, I did it twice.
Did you?
16. Yeah, I've never.
Fireworks over there. Here comes the net. Oh, this is the biggies.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
Are you sure it's the biggest one?
No, Daddy. Are there bigger? Are there bigger ones?
And they're the ones that.
Dad, are there bigger ones?
I thought you said that there were.
There are, yes. So
Then
it's.
why are you asking?
I don't know why I'm asking. I just want to ask when they're gonna
I like that.
flipping come. Oh no, I love these ones. They're really cool.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ow!
Sometimes.
That's the best one, yeah.
That's the highest one.
It's the highest one, yeah.
Oh,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah,
that was a big.
that's the best one yet. Is there going to be the one that whole clay gate can hold clay gate?
Sorry, you mean?
Who can hear?
Can hear you.
Are we going to get one of those?
Oh, I think this is just like a little. Dad, you know the ones that are little, like the little display ones. Those are called the garden fireworks that we bought. Oh, those are cute. They're cute. They're cute.
Are you sure you're videoing? Because it was
No, I'm not like a teddy bear.
but kids, like
Whoa.
little. That's just
That's
that's better. Yeah. Okay, that's better. Higher.